Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MGNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And the big, not really update, because this isn't a new level, but assuming you watched the video from Wednesday, if you didn't, I talked about this green line here right at the $21 mark. And the big dynamic, actually, let me do this so we can try to get this as easy to see as possible. There we go. The big dynamic here, looking closely, is that the price is sitting right at that level. Now, yes, technically speaking, the price is actually down below 21. But remember, with supports and resistance levels, they're not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with them. So I would definitely still consider, the price within the range of that area of support at 21. But the big question now going forward is, especially because, like I said, technically the price did break below it, is this the start of something bigger? Is there a whole lot more downwards pressure that is going to show up? No such thing as a guarantee. My point here is that it's a very plausible, it's a very rational thought to have that, yeah, this may be the start of a much bigger move to the downside. So in the event that does happen, I do want to get a couple other areas of support mapped out. So in the event, like I said, this is the beginning of a more downwards pressure and downwards momentum. Next key area of support to keep an eye on right down there at the $19 mark. And then if $19 can't quite hold up, things space out that much more, as really the next level of support at that point in time wouldn't be until that previous breakout point, which sits down there right around the $16 mark. Now, I'm not saying the price is headed down to 16 or anything. I'm just saying that because of the big movement up, that the catch-22 always is it does create bigger spaces between areas of support, and that's what we have here. But like I said, you got to also give credit. This level did a fantastic job all day long is holding that support. So maybe this thing's getting ready to bounce back up. And if it does, that key level of resistance remains up there at the $26 mark. But all in all, like I said, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching this little dynamic here. And is this the start of more downwards pressure? Let's see how it plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.